Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created this week. These are some beautiful neon acrylic powders that I received from Miss You Beauty a while back. So here are the gorgeous colours. I absolutely love them. So this is what I used in my video. So the first one that I used is called Electric Sunset. And this has been designed by Gemma Lambert. So look at that gorgeous colour there. How amazing is that? Stunning. Then I used this one, which is called Sapphire Shimmer. Another one designed by Gemma. How beautiful is that? That's the blue. They've all got a little bit of shimmer to them. This is probably my favourite. This and this one I think are my favourites. This one is called Gemma's Love. Again, another one designed by Gemma. That is probably the best acrylic powder ever. There it is on my thumb. I don't know if you can see that there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Then I used Tropical Shimmer. And then I used Robo Barbie. Then the glitters that I used were, this was what I used here. It's a glitter that I received a few years ago from Smiley6062 on eBay. So it's called Breakdance, and these are all the different colours that are in it, and that's why I chose these neon colours, neon acrylic powder, sorry, to fit in with the glitters that I have. So here are my nails. I used Miss You Beauty's products to create my nails, and I will show you how I did them. So to start off with, I just prime my nails using Miss You Beauty's primer. I have already pushed back my cuticles and I have applied tips to my nails. The tips that I'm using are from Pro Impressions. They're the non-blending ones, which is fabulous. It saves me a bunch of time. So I go in with this beautiful purple one here. Absolutely love this colour. So I start out with each colour and I fade it up the nail, and then I just apply it to the tip of the nail, faded up the nail, if that makes sense. And then from the cuticle area coming down, I go in with Breakdance, and I do this on each nail, but obviously with the different colours. So now with my clear acrylic liquid and powder, I encapsulate those nails. So with my e-file, I just go in around the cuticle area and just make sure that there are no lumps and bumps and that my nail is lovely and smooth, ready for my top coat. And so for the best part in the video, the application of my non-wipe UV gel top coat from Miss You Beauty, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil to the cuticles. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be down below to the products that I used in this video, along with any discount codes, so don't forget to check those out, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.